Hi there. This is going to be my first unboxing of Your Creative Studio. This is for the November box. I haven't even opened it yet, so we're going to do that right now. Just cut down those two sides. This is coming out of Canada, and I'm in the US. I just covered up my address there on the front. So let's take a look. And so it says thank you. I'm assuming this is going to be a deer or elk theme. This is kind of cool. I think everybody loves her paper. I'll try to open this up without too much destruction there. Okay, so here we go. We'll start with, this is washi. Take a look at this. I've only gotten one other box from her, and this is going to be kind of exciting to see what November and December are. That's really pretty, actually. Oh, it's over here. Hang on. So this is definitely a wilderness. There's a fawn. Isn't that pretty? And more deer. So that's really pretty. I like using that, I think. Be great in a woodland journal. This is a cling stamp. So, oh, that's different. That's really different. So you have a deer with a, like, that's dressed and with a wig. Not so sure about that one, in all honesty. But let's take a look here. Oh, so this is kind of cool, I think. I'm thinking I know what it is. These are like little coupon cards. Oh, very nice. So let's take these out. So there's one there. Oh, I love these. These will be very usable. And then also to share with, you know, like Happy Mail and fill in little embellishment folders kind of thing. Oh, I like these a lot. Railroad, transportation, Wrigley Field. So very nice. Like those old replicas, I guess, of vintage cards or coupons. These are note cards. Wow, there's a lot of them there. Maybe 200. That looks like a lot. And it looks like there's like 3 different colors there. Let's take a look. Looks like the back ones are lined. That knife, as you can tell, is not very sharp. Okay, we're opening the whole thing. And, well, okay, we'll go this way. So lined, ticket, dots, the corners, well, the corners here. I do like those, though. Those you can stamp on and make your own tickets. And I don't know how that, well, just like a little background, I guess. Okay, so those are kind of cool. This is also a cling stamp. Let's see. Oh, those are neat. Those are small. Those would be nice maybe for some like distant Christmas or winter scenes. So 4 little stamps there. But yeah, they would, if you stamp them in the background, they would look like they're further away since they're smaller. Those are cool. Here is a magnetic. Oh, that's pretty. A magnetic bookmark. That's pretty. I love the fawn. That's very pretty. Very masculine too, if you're doing a masculine journal. I love these. Those are all ferns. Let's see. Let's see if I were to do that. There you go. So those are all different size ferns. Those are clear stamps, or stickers, I mean. Sorry about that. Let's see what else we have here. This is another cling stamp. This is a larger one. Oh, that's very nice too. Looks like it's well defined. Very nice. I like these. I like the outdoor theme. Alright, I'm just going to pull all of these out together so we don't have to keep moving that around, and I'll move the box out of the way. So we had some shine going on here. These are sticker notes. Very pretty though. Very outdoorsy. I like those. Oh, look at the stamps. This might be the best part of the whole thing so far. Yeah, sorry about the glare. Let me take it off. We'll just bring this all out like that. So I see Australia. There's an owl. I don't know if these are replica of probably real stamps. There's a Chile. Not sure. Look at all these pretty replicas. Oh, I love the cats. Very nice. There's a whale. Cats, birds. We have a few birds. There's a bird too. Squirrel. Tiger. Nicaragua. Another one. So it looks like there might be two of each of these stamps. There's a penguin. This looks like a peacock over here. Yep, peacock from Vietnam. And 7 swans are swimming in this one if you read the bottom right there. So these are very cool. And then the background piece of cardstock is also usable. Huh. Very cool. Like those. Those are neat. I love stamps. Okay, so take, oh, those are, I thought they were stickers. Oh, they are stickers. There's a fine line right around it. Very pretty. But those are like vellum stickers. Very nice. These are vellum sheets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would make be a great part of a woodland for sure. Journal. Love those very much. Okay, so these are more vellum. These don't fit in the theme, but I like the botanicals because that's what I like the most anyway. Okay, so here we go. There's clover and leaves. There's a basket. I'm going to take a look there. Some more clover. These are not cut apart, or like these aren't, oh yes they are. I didn't think they were stuck around it. Okay, so they do have a cut line. There we go. Like that. So they are stickers. I didn't think that it had the cut around lines, but I see them now. So yeah, they would just have to peel those off. And then a couple more sheets. Oh, that's pretty. I love the coral. Ooh, I have good ideas for those. So those are very nice. And then these are tags in that same deer theme. I'm not sure if they're all the same. Let's take a look. This nice cardstock there. Okay, so they're a little different colors. Same pattern. A few different colors there. They're again very nice. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of them. And plain on the back. Wait. So there we go. That is November's Your Creative Studio. Those are very cool. Like that a lot. And hope you enjoyed that. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.